Rebecca Gregory, and I'm the Technical Director for Simply Organic Beauty. This training video is going to help you to become an expert using our Oway rebuilding treatment to reconstruct damaged, weak, and brittle hair. You will learn the steps, tools, and products needed to ensure great success every time. Hair can suffer damage from many sources, such as repeated chemical services, mechanical stress, environmental aggressions, and thermal tools. Damaged hair is hair that has lost its essential components, which are protein, water, minerals, and lipid reserves. Traditionally, damaged hair has been categorized as needing either protein or moisture and treated with shampoos and conditioners that supply one or the other. Most often, these products only supply temporary results or benefits to the hair because they are only treating the surface. Our Oway rebuilding treatment is an in-salon reconstructive service that rebuilds the hair from the inside out. It's one system with 8 amazing benefits that repair and rejuvenate all the components of the hair: shine, elasticity, hydration, remineralization, body and structure, cuticle repair, strength and energy, resistance to further breakage. First, it is important we take a look at the required and suggested tools for the job: a client cape, a brush and comb, mixing bowl and applicator brush, scale, quick start guide for Oway rebuilding hair treatment, rebuilding serum, ceramides F, hyalo minerals, rebuilding hair bath and mask, infrared iron, clean towels, and clips. As with every professional service, your success is determined by a detailed and thorough consultation. The most effective way to address your client's damaged hair is to analyze the condition at the very beginning of the service. Make sure to go over daily rituals and lifestyle questions with your client. Do they have thermal stresses from blow drying daily? Mechanical stresses from curling and flat ironing? Or maybe they are outside in the environment on a daily basis. Prepare your client for the rebuilding treatment by draping them with a cape and brushing their hair. Pay close attention to the scalp for any abrasions or other possible concerns. Let's take a look at how to determine what custom blend recipe you are going to use from the Quick Start Guide. Before starting your rebuilding treatment, you should perform a wet stretch test to help analyze the condition of the hair and determine the proper treatment path. Separate about 10 strands of hair and spray with water. Hold the strands tight with both hands and gently pull the hair. Be sure to pull with enough tension to assess how the hair stretches. Hair that stretches and returns is healthy. Hair that stretches and doesn't return is lacking protein. Hair that doesn't stretch is low in moisture. Hair that breaks is low in both protein and moisture. Now let's take a look at the main key products of the rebuilding treatment. Rebuilding serum is a protein fluid base for hair reconstruction. It will repair the keratin chains from inside the hair fiber. The 18 biomimetic amino acids have a low molecular weight, duplicate reproduction of the keratin structure, and rebuilds the strength of the hair. With the increase of amino acids in the hair, it will give excellent absorption, helping penetrate deep into the hair, giving a healthy, shiny appearance. Hyalo minerals help in the assistance with the rebuilding serum to repair and moisturize. It supplies amino acids to the cuticle and cortex of the hair. It has a concentrate of 5 mineral salts: iron, magnesium, zinc, copper, and silicone, trace minerals. Hyaluronic acid helps the hair capture and preserve water to assist in the hydration process. Ceramides F restores hair lipid components, which will assist in filling empty spaces on the external cuticle of the hair. This helps create a protective layer around the cuticle to protect against thermal, chemical, mechanical, and environmental aggressions. The ceramides F increase the structure, elasticity, resistance, and shine of the hair. Let's go over the different cases that you custom blend when doing the rebuilding treatment. Case A: dry, damaged, and dull hair with little elasticity to give moisture and remineralization. Case B: split ends damaged by chemical services to increase resistance to recompact split ends. Case C: curly hair prone to becoming frizzy. To add moisture, naturally curly hair always requires the contribution of water. Case D: fine, bodiless hair that easily becomes dull. To give composition, resistance, and strength. Once you have established the case that you're going to be mixing and the amount that you need for the given length of hair, you will want to get out all the essential tools to mix. On a scale, measure out the amount needed for short hair or long hair, along with the correct additives needed for the type of case that you've chosen. Apply the custom blended rebuilding treatment to dry hair, section by section. Starting in the nape or in the area where damage is the most prominent, take thin sections, approximately 1/16 of an inch. Working up the head with each section, massage the treatment into the hair with the hands in an upward movement for better absorption. Once the repair treatment has been applied to all the hair, you may begin using the iron, section by section, starting in the nape. Clamp the iron over the section of hair and slowly pass over the section to the ends of the hair. Depending on the condition of the hair, 3 to 5 passes may be made. Be sure to flip the iron over so that the top and the bottom of the hair strand is treated by both the infrared and ultrasonic plates. There are 2 different sides to the infrared iron. One side is the infrared red side, and the other is the ultrasonic side with a silver metal plate. The plates work together in helping to penetrate all the nourishment into the hair. Before using the infrared iron, you will want to perform a mist test to ensure it's ready to use. Connect the iron to your power supply. Then, mist the silver plate with cool water and close the plates together slightly. Wait a second or two, and then click the plates together. You should see a light mist, which may vary based on how much water is on the plate. This means your infrared iron is working. Allow the rebuilding treatment to process at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes. Next, shampoo the hair with rebuilding hair bath and leave on for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and repeat. Apply the rebuilding hair mask and spread evenly throughout the hair. Leave on for 2 to 3 minutes for fine hair types and 3 to 5 minutes for thick, coarse hair types. Rinse thoroughly. From here, you can complete the service with the Oway styling and finishing products. To ensure the longevity of the service, be sure to advise your client on what products are needed for home care, how to use them, and set up the next in-salon treatment appointment before the client leaves the salon. Then, after completing the recommended number of weekly sessions, repeat the treatment monthly until the hair has been repaired. The rebuilding hair bath has Produce 500, which is a cocktail of amino acids, sodium PCA, and arginine. The cocktail of amino acids rebuilds the protein chains, while the sodium PCA nourishes and conditions the hair. The arginine binds to acidic groups to allow the sodium PCA to penetrate into the hair. The sugarcane oligosaccharides that are both in the rebuilding hair bath and the mask create bonds with molecules in the hair, helping them to retain moisture. The rebuilding hair mask helps in restoring and repairing protein to the hair, as well as sealing the cuticle and moisturizing the hair. And like the rebuilding hair bath, it also has Produce 500 as well as the sugarcane oligosaccharides. The rebuilding hair mask has an Amazonian blend, which is an exclusive complex of Amazonian butters and oils that provide intense shine, which will improve with each treatment. Our Oway Rebuilding Treatment is a new, innovative way to repair the hair from the inside out. It takes a holistic approach to replenish all the components of healthy hair using a powerful blend of precious oils, biodynamic botanicals, and phytokeratin. The infrared remedy iron is a state-of-the-art tool that transforms this treatment into a revolutionary salon service that will put your salon on the cutting edge of trends and technology. We hope you've enjoyed this immersive look into our Oway Rebuilding Treatment series.